Many have probably heard of the story about the Kadena's bad chicken, especially if you were stationed there. I was stationed there between 2015 and 17, and I heard of the story. I even heard the story in Osan. So the story goes is that during the Korean War, the Koreans were overrunning the bases there, and the pilots escaped, taking off in their planes, leaving behind the maintainers to defend themselves. Well, the story continues is that they were hung and by safety wire. So that put a bad reputation on the 18th Wing. Comment below if you think this is a urban legend or a real story. Me personally, I think it's just urban legend. I love history. I like to dig into stuff, and this is what I discovered. The reason why there's a black chicken in their little logo is because, and I understand this part because I've been stationed and traveled around Asia, is that they are fighting cock is actually a good thing. Saying that these guys will fight to the death, and that's why they implemented that logo of that fighting chicken. And this was actually before the Korean War. It was approved in 1931. So that kind of dispels that part. Now the ZZ code is they couldn't use the KA because it was already taken by other units. And the fact that they can't go to the United States is, it was just exclusively for the Pacific. And, that makes sense, to stay Pacific or to stay exclusively overseas. And well, the story goes, it's not true at all because during the Korean War, the Korean government, South Korea, awarded the 18th Wing with medals and nicknamed them the Truck Buster because they destroyed so many vehicles in aid of the Koreans. So comment below if you think this is a urban legend or a true story. Thank you.